Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing the cryptocurrency trading pivot point guide. What are pivot points? Pivot points are a pattern repetition indicator that is used to predict support and resistance levels. They can also help determine the overall market trends. The most common way to use and calculate pivot points is the so-called 5-point system. This system comprises of an average of numerical high, low, as well as close of the previous trading period. These numbers are used to plot a course of 5 levels, 2 sets of resistance levels, 2 sets of supports, and a pivot level. Calculating pivot points. The 5-point system is one of the ways of calculating and identifying support and resistance levels. It is also one of the simplest, and it is calculated like so. The pivot point from our example is derived from the previous high, low, and close divided by 3. This allows traders to define an area where the price action seems to be sensitive and likely to shift in sentiment. Pivot point strategy timeframes. While it is possible to utilize pivot points on a longer timeframe, common practice looks at the smaller timeframes such as the 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute, and 15-minute charts. When used alongside other indicators such as the MACD and the RSI, traders can ensure legitimacy and significance of their predictions. Pivot point example. This example shows a Bitcoin chart with resistance levels marked R1 and R2, and support levels marked S1 and S2. The pivot point is marked as P. Some traders can use up to 4 resistance and support levels. The first example shows that the pivot point acted as a threshold for prices to go bullish for a continuation, therefore confirming the legitimacy of the move from $6,285. The RSI showed oversold conditions just before the breakout, and the MACD printed a bull cross, which added an additional layer of confirmation to this bullish move. After a few unsuccessful attempts at surpassing the R1 resistance level, Bitcoin plummeted on September 14th. Finally, Bitcoin went under the pivot level as well as both supports on September 17th. Each of these moves had multiple indicators that confirmed the market sentiment moves as either support or resistance test or a legitimate rally or breakdown. In conclusion, pivot points are certainly a useful addition to a trader's technical toolbox that allows them to confirm support and resistance levels, as well as to judge the strength of big price moves. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.